Namaste everyone. Welcome to Supergrads CAT. And today we will be talking about the best MBA colleges with low fee and high placement. Yes, there are a lot of MBA aspirants who aim for such colleges. So today in this list, we will find the colleges ranging from 26,000 till 12 lakhs only. Yes, I've picked the colleges only between this particular range. So we will be starting from the very lowest fee college, that is 26,000, and we'll go till 12 lakhs. So without wasting any more time, let's get started. तो जो सबसे पहला कॉलेज है हमारे लिस्ट में दैट इज DFS दिल्ली विच इज डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टडीज. डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ फाइनेंशियल स्टडीज एज द नेम इटसेल्फ सजेस्ट कि ये कॉलेज फाइनेंस के लिए काफी ज्यादा नोन होगा, काफी ज्यादा पॉपुलर है. अगर मैं इसके फीस की बात करूं तो इट इज जस्ट 26,000. Average package is impressive over here, 14.50 LP, a great ROI college. Median package 14.40 LPA and the highest package is 20 LPA over here. Next in the list we have is another college related, which is based in DSE Delhi, which is Delhi School of Economics. Now here fees is 30,000. Average package is 14.5 LPA. Median is 14.40 LPA and the highest is 26.5 LPA. As I said, we'll be going from the lowest fee college till the highest, that is 12 lakhs वाले colleges तक ही मैंने यहाँ पे range रखी है. So it will be very feasible for you to understand. I have not ranked the colleges on the basis of their NIRF ranking or whatever ranking they have, but I have picked it from the lowest fee to highest fee, that is 12 lakhs. Next in the list we have is DBE Delhi, another MBA college which is prominently known for the economics program that they provide, which is Department of Business Economics. Now here the fees is 48,500, average package 15.92 LPA, median is 13.75 LPA, and the highest is 24.25 LPA. All these three colleges are based off DU, you must note that. Next in the list we have is UBS Chandigarh, that is Universal Business School Chandigarh, जिसका fees is 50,000. Average package 13.72 LPA, highest is 58.48 LPA. Next in the list we have is Pumba Pune, जिसका फीस रेंज होता है. नाउ वी आर कमिंग इन द लैक्स वाला कैटेगरी. अभी तक हमने थाउजेंड्स वाली कैटेगरी देखी थी, अब फाइनली विल बी कमिंग टू 1,30,000 से 1,50,000 के अराउंड इसका फीस जाता है इन दिस रेंज. एवरेज पैकेज 8.85 LPA है, हाईएस्ट इज 18.97 LPA. Next in the list we have is, and I have picked this college in my previous videos as well, that is Simsri Mumbai. A great college in terms of ROI. If I have to speak of, MMS इनका flagship program है. Fees इनका है 1,34,000. Average package is 15.19 LPA. Median is 14.93 LPA and the highest is 21.53 LPA. Next in the list we have is TIS Mumbai, that is Tata Institute of Social Sciences Mumbai, जिसके ऊपर मैंने specifically भी एक वीडियो बनाया है through CUET PG. College which is popularly known for its HRM program. Now इसका fees is 1,85,000. Average package 27.22 LPA. Median is 25.75 LPA and the highest is 49 LPA. Next in the list we have is FMS Delhi, that is Faculty of Management Studies, जिसका fees 2 lakhs है, 27.22 LPA is the average package. Median package is 25.75 LPA, highest is 49 LPA. A college, another college which is a dream college of all the MBA aspirants out there in terms of the ROI that it's provide. इसके ऊपर भी मैंने एक detailed video बनाया है on the kind of courses that it has, the program, curriculum, and each and everything is covered about this particular college in that particular video. You can check that video in the channel itself. Next in the list we have is IISc Bangalore, that is Indian Institute of Science Bangalore, जिसका fees is 2,66,500. Average package 28 LPA, highest is 86 LPA. Next in the list we have is SRCC GBO Delhi, another college जो DU से related है. SRCC here stands for Shri Ram College of Commerce. GBO इनका एक MBA program है, which is a international MBA kind of a program. GBO here stands for Global Business Operations. Again SRCC GBO के अगर पूरे details, program details आपको जानने हैं तो इसके ऊपर भी I have made a specific video कि कितना CAT का कट ऑफ एक्सेप्ट करता है and all those things. You can check that video in the channel. फीस की अगर मैं बात करूं तो it's 3,20,000. Average package 13.48 LPA. Median is 13 LPA. Highest is 40 LPA. Next we have is the CEO Factory of India, as I've mentioned previously in the video where I've made and covered everything about JBIMS Mumbai, that is Jamnalal Bajaj Institute of Management Studies, जिसका fees है 6 lakh. Average package 28.02 LPA, median is 27.60 LPA, and the highest is 35.75 LPA. Next in the list we have is IIT Bombay SJMSOM, जिसको हम कहते हैं शैलेश जैन मेहता स्कूल ऑफ मैनेजमेंट, जिसका फीस 9 lakhs है. Average package is 28.01 LPA, median is 26.73 LPA, and highest is 72 LPA. Now this is the recent placement report. अभी तक जितने भी हमने packages discuss किए they were of 2023, but IIT Bombay का प्लेसमेंट रिपोर्ट ऑफ 2024 आ चुका है, तो ये 2024 का प्लेसमेंट है. और अगर आपको डिटेल प्लेसमेंट वीडियो भी चेक करना है, सो वी हैव अ वीडियो ऑन दैट एज वेल. यू कैन चेक इन द चैनल इटसेल्फ. नेक्स्ट इन द लिस्ट वी हैव इज IIT रूरकी, जिसके बारे में मैंने कल ही डिस्कस किया था. A college which is coming up doing greatly and has some special programs for the girls as well. If I talk about the fees, it's 9,50,000. Average package 18.34 LPA. Median is 18.09 LPA. Highest is 27.94 LPA. Next in the list we have is IIT Kharagpur, जिसका fees is 11,59,760. Average package 22.13 LPA है. Median is 21.04 LPA and highest is 43.37 LPA. Next we have is IIT Delhi, या इसे हम डोम्स भी कहते हैं, डिपार्टमेंट ऑफ मैनेजमेंट स्टडीज. IIT दिल्ली का फीस 12 lakhs है. एवरेज पैकेज 25.82 LPA है. Median is 24.45 LPA and the highest package is 41.13 LPA. Okay, students, so that was all from my side. So I have told you about the range of colleges from 26,000 till 12 lakhs. So this was my selection of the colleges which have low fee and they offer a great ROI, that is a great placement. ऐसे और college related, B school related या exam related videos if you want, then do let me know in the comment section below. For more such updates, stay tuned to Supergrads Cat.